Hello, hello, hello. This is Garden Talk American. Going to do my first sweet potato harvest for 2023 from this little narrow bed over here. So I am going to clear out some of this vegetation and then see what we have this time. I have in here, I have a few Japanese and maybe some Vardaman and some Georgia jets. Here's a jet. I think that's a jet right there. And I'm going to see what else I have. So I'm going to get my gloves on and come back to you. So I'm going to clear out only where there are potatoes. I'm not going to cut the vines that does not have any potatoes yet because I think I planted a couple of them late, like this one. I planted this one late, but this is definitely a jet. So I'm going to harvest this one and see what it looks like. This one here, of a decent size. I didn't want them any bigger than this anyway. This is a little bit too big. So this is this one. Let's get it in the box. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what else I have in here. This is a strange bed. I planted a variety of potatoes in here and I plant them at different times. This is a Vardaman right here. That's a decent size too. A very nice size. Here it is. See what else I have. Okay. For the camera a little bit. Okay. Let's see what else, if we have anything up here. Yep. A little guy up here. That's a big one. A little Vardaman up here. For the camera, it's a tiny one. That's a very big guy. Tiny guy, but still a guy. Or a girl. Let's see if we have anything else here. This vine. There's a big vine over here. Let's see if we have anything on this vine. Yep, not a big guy, a little guy too. This is a something. I'm not sure what that is. That's something. So we have here. Do I have anything down here? Going way in the jungle here. Another tiny guy. Not anything big. I have a feeling this bed is not completely ready, you know. And they're kind of small. I think I planted this bed in middle part of May. So let's go back a little bit and see what we have. Over here. That's the vegetation. I don't want to cut out all the vegetation because there are some potatoes still growing. So I'll move the camera up a little bit. So here we are. We have some more jets, I think. I just call them red potatoes. Here's a nice size one. It's a nice size one. Here's the mama. And this is not bad either. Yeah. Some more jets. Yeah. This is the mama. Look like we have a little something here happening. I understand that when you plant your potatoes with tree leaves, dry leaves that isn't broken down, you get scabs. And see, I think I have a little scab going here. Won't stop the taste of the potato. Kind of look not as nice if you're giving them to someone, but it's not bad. Yeah, a little scab going on there. Yep. And here's a big guy. Ooh, this one is huge. Look at this one. Round. Different. It's not long. It's round. And look like something begun to nibble on them. Here. I have to eat that one once it's cured. It's a big size one. This is the mama that I planted, I think. Looks like it. Or it's just a scabby potato. Alright, let's see what else we have. The baby. See if we have anything else going here. This is a makeshift bed that I made. You know, just made it up. Here's another one. And they're pretty big. They're ready. It's a mixed bag around here. This one is big too. Wow. Not bad. I didn't expect that much from this bed, but it's doing good. Alright, no, I'm not going to say I didn't expect that much. I expected much. Alright, a little one over here. If you don't expect anything, you won't get anything. I did expect. Alright. I have a one. This is a Vardaman. Tiny Vardaman. Yeah. That's a Vardy over there. That's the mama. Yeah. I think we have something down here in the ground. No? This is the original clay. There's not much in this bed. Lots of clay. I didn't put a lot of new soil in it. I just used a lot of mulch. Okay. I'm going to go up a little further and see what I have. Okay, I'm moving up the jungle. See if we have anything else in here. I think we should. Dirty stuff up here though. Tiny little Vardaman. Not much going on here. Let's see what we got. Few Vardy. Alright, now here's another. Looks like a little bit. Here's another. Red potato. That's what I'm calling them. I think they're Georgia Jets though. And here's another one. This one is kind of decent. Oh yeah. There it is. Still have scab. I know now that advice I was given that If leaves are not broken down in compost and you plant them with your potatoes, you get scab. That's what I was told anyway. Little ones. Nothing much, but still good. All right. Let's see if there's anything further along here. I didn't want my sweet potatoes to be too big this year because last year they were so huge. Nah, not sweet really. They were huge. Some were very, stringy. So I decided that enough is enough. We don't want too much them to be too big. I don't know what this is. I think that's what I planted. Well, trying to see if there's anything else. Yeah, I think we have a big guy right here. Let's see what it is. All right. Oh, yeah. This thing is a mess on it. Okay, I think you'll be able to see this one. This one over here. This is another red potato. This is another red, guys. Oy. Look like it's a big guy too. Ooh. Let me see if I can take this guy out. Stick my camera back right there. Okay, I think I found another guy here. It's a big one too. All right, now, ooh, this is a jumbo guy. And my scissors. Wow, look at this one. This is the biggest one so far. Another red potato, and this one has a little bit of scab, but yeah, it's good. It's all good. It's all good. And I had this one over here. Yeah. Okay. Wow. I don't think I'll plant any more potatoes back here. Any more sweet potatoes back here. Or potatoes. Maybe potatoes, but not sweet potatoes. Because it's really hard to get behind this jungle boy. Alright. See if I can go to the other side.